Hello and welcome to another video. In this video I'm welding in the plates that I made in the previous video. I'm going to use one whole day for the left side, due to if I start welding and leave it for one day, it might start rusting inside of the body there. And if it is starting to rust and I paint over it with primer, it will be no good. It might start rusting again. And I understand that this content isn't exactly the most interesting thing to watch, but I'm trying to make shortcuts, rewind a little bit to keep it a little interesting, but you know, it is boring content. So if you have any ideas how to make it better or what not to do, I would like you to put a comment down below and let me know.
Never say never, you'll be my pleasure. I got nothing to be scared of, because where people live, there is always love. I know the answers in my heart, so I'll try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. Will you be my pleasure? Find it hard to let go. Memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say never. Will you be my pleasure?
When I welded this plate on, it was a lot of places that when I welded they just created holes or burned through. It usually happens when I have this thickness of steel. I think it's around 1 millimeter. I notice a big difference when I go up to 1.2 millimeter. So I want to keep all the clips in of me, you know, welding and then grinding away, welding and grinding away, because it is a bit of a struggle to get it right, because it's always burning through. I don't just want it to be just welded one time and magically finished, because it is not a fun job, but I want it to be real, even though that's not entertaining and fun to watch.
In the morning, I'ma leave without giving a warning. I'ma leave without giving a. But every time we say goodbye, we all know that it's a lie. Now I'm all alone, 'cause you never show. You say you will, but then you don't.
It wrapped around your soul with no control. You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater. There's so much water. I'll run, I'll hide. Darkness always clouds my mind. When I look behind, it's moving closer every time. I can't pretend that I have a strong defense. There's darkness, my old friend. You get me till at the end. At the end. Can you feel it wrapped around your soul with no control? You can't breathe.